Okay, hi guys, it's Frisk here, and today I'm just going to be playing Cluster Truck because I have no idea what to play anymore. Recommend games to me and I might play it. And so right now we're going to have some fun. Finley is on the phone with me, we're just talking, but she might just pop in now and then. But right now I'm going to be playing Cluster Truck. I tried playing Hello Neighbor, but I do not know how to figure that game out now that I think about it. And yeah, so, yeah, let me move my mouse. Campaign, World 1 Desert. Okay, I've never really played or watched any videos on Cluster Truck, so I have no idea what to do. Oh.
I know Cluster Truck is.
Yeah, I'm just playing it right now. Okay, I lost on the first level, that was so easy. No. Okay, I just need to figure out how, what my doing. Cool. I died. I'm only on the first level. You know what? I'm trying to Yeah. Not that loud. It's just okay. Level 1. Oh. No. I was so close. What? The drawing you made last time was pretty good. And you also have you can actually draw on your tablet, right? Stuff. So yeah, I think you want to do that. Let me make it! No, what?
What did you say?
Like you can draw on your computer and tablet. Well, I'm gonna paper and better stuff.
I can't draw on my computer or my tablet.
Well, how did you?
I use a free software called Sketch.
I'm too lazy to download it. Oh. Yeah. Why am I doing this? Come on. Yeah. Wow. Okay, the levels I'm doing are really easy, and I'm yet still failing. Okay, I'm gonna try no more deaths. I'm gonna play safe now. I'm gonna be really serious about this. Okay. Got me. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna be trying. I'm gonna be really trying. I'm not gonna fail really easy. Let me do that. Oh. Nope. Oh, there's the goal. I just need to be on one part. Oh, wait, RT just ran. That. No. Wait, what? I missed barely. Okay, I said I wouldn't die. I'm free! Okay. So 1.6. Should I try getting to level 2? Oh my god. Stop with the honking. Oh! I got an idea. Okay. No. Okay, yeah. How did I make that? Try it. You need to do good. Okay, come on. No. I'm ready. I need to make jumps that I know I can make. What was that? Okay. These drivers don't know how to drive. Look at this. trucks. I'm trying to figure out, like, what is exactly like each dump and what my sensitivity is. That's what I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out. What?
I can edit this video.
Still haven't ended the other one.
Huh?
You still haven't ended the other one.
I know, but I can edit this video.
I'm just dumping on it.
Because I
I mean, I don't think I'm gonna edit it. It's not like it's gonna matter. It's not that much. There's nothing I really need to know.
there is something.
What? Huh?
Why you hear it?
I didn't hear anything of that. Okay. Okay. I need to pay attention to this. Oh, what? I thought I could. Okay. My look sensitive. Where I land. I need to figure this out. I need to figure out this. I've died too much. What? Oh, there was a car right there. This game is not that bad. I'm telling you, it's not really bad. Come on, cluster truck, yeah. Okay. Oh, I might have lagged a bit. Okay. Also, I'm playing on the Xbox Cloud. Xbox Cloud beta. Huh? Okay, bye. Well, she's gone. So, please steer truck. Oh, no, what? How am I making this? No, what did I do? I should have stayed on that truck. No. Wait. Believe in me. Believe in me, guys. My skills. I mean, take this really peacefully. Maybe I should be running on I'm gonna watch what happens here. Okay. So I think I'm gonna need to be on this side. Oh, I saw that turn. Okay. I need to really try. I am a noob. Just remember that, guys. Okay, so sprint. What if I sprint? I feel like I'm gonna die if I sprint. Yay! Okay, I'm not sprinting. Why are you running into that? Why are you running into that? What kind of driving skills do you have? I am terrible at tripping up cars. Oh. I feel really bad for the person that keeps falling off. Like, if this was an actual person, I'm actually... Wait. I feel really bad for this person. Okay. Yeah. Wait, I can't estimate proper jump in the distance, bro. I said I wasn't gonna die like this anymore. Come on. Slap me. Oh. What? You see what I mean when I can't estimate the proper distance? Oh yeah. That was terrible. I almost did. Oh, I was trying to go backwards, right? Yay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I think this is the one. No. Yeah. That never happened. Okay, I wonder. This is what I want. I want people. Okay, people that are watching this video, I want you guys to calculate how many times I have died. Oh my god! Wait, yes! I am literally a rock jumper. Who cares about truck jumper? I'm a rock jumper. Who cares about truck jumping? What about rock jumping? Okay, I need a sprint. Oh my god. Nope, I wanna be okay, yeah, I cannot calculate the distance. What? How did that not even? Yeah. This is why it's a cluster truck. It's a cluster of streaks. I blame lag. That's not. Okay. What? No, I might have ran. What is my stuff? Yeah. Yeah, my controller keeps disconnecting. I guess I gotta get batteries. Well, I guess that's the end of the video, cause, well, I tried. And I have no AA batteries I can find at my house right now. Like I've already tried before, but I can't. So, thanks for watching. Count how many deaths I have in the video. And put it in the comments, like this video and subscribe, and see you on the next